What is capitalism? Doges live in Dogeville, and they have capitalism. Each Doge can have their own bones and their own doghouse. This is called private property. One Doge gets tired of going to work and decides to start his own business. The Doge begins producing bones and selling them in front of his doghouse for 3 Doge dollars. Doge becomes rich. Doge is happy. But after a while, another shop opens across from him, where bones are sold for 2 Doge dollars. Now every Doge starts going there instead. The Doge is angry. The Doge wants to kill the competitor, but unfortunately that's not allowed. To win customers back, Doge lowers his price to 1 Doge dollar. This is called competition. Prices depend on how many bones Doges want to buy and how much they are willing to pay. Why does every Doge try so hard? To earn a profit. This is the difference between the selling price and the cost of producing bones. If the profit is high, a Doge can buy himself a bigger doghouse, a fancy bowl, and a Ferrari F430. To make that happen, the Doge starts creating new bone flavors, apps for ordering bones, and even home delivery. But the new bones might not sell, and then the Doge could end up dying in poverty. Alternatives? Well, in theory, the government can decide for itself who gets what. Now everyone will receive a minimum of 1 bone a day. Instead of a bunch of greedy producers, one state-owned bone factory? Cool! What, you don't understand why the assortment isn't updated? Why should it be? After all, the chief engineer will get his salary anyway. No competitors, no fear of bankruptcy, no new bones either. So what does the government do in capitalism? It doesn't make bones, it makes rules. So the scales don't cheat, Doges don't fight, and disputes are settled in court rather than by loud barking. The government collects taxes from Doges and insists it's not spending them only on Ferraris, but on roads too, as well as streetlights and puppy playgrounds. Sometimes the government helps those who have too few bones, or makes sure the bone producers don't end up killing each other. Pros of capitalism: a wide selection of bones, lots of new bones. You can start with a garage doghouse and grow into a corporate doghouse. Cons: inequality and occasional crises. Yes, this system is not perfect, but so far all alternatives have ended rather badly. Well then, you can now confidently call yourself a political expert. Please subscribe to the channel.